What's up, guys? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how much YouTube paid me for posting a video each and every day. If you've been following me, you know I've been doing this challenge in October of posting a video each and every day. Imagine, I guess I'm the first to do this challenge, even though it's kind of failed because I did not reach to that 1st October, but then I posted a video each and every day for I think 25 days or something. So I really wanted to know how much can YouTube pay me if I had to post each and every day. You know, that was an experiment. Of course, we all know what we are expecting. So if you guys have not watched how much YouTube paid me in September and August, July too, just go and check those videos out. I have a series of how much YouTube pays me, so I'll be posting each and every month how much YouTube has paid me, the amount of views I got, and how much I got paid for those views. So you guys be sure to check those videos out, and so that you can compare. So in this video I'll show you how much YouTube paid me in the month of October after posting a video each and every day. So are you guys ready? Let's get straight into the video. If you've been enjoying these videos, please like this video so that I'll know that you guys are enjoying how much YouTube paid me in each and every month. I'll definitely continue to post to you each and every month how much YouTube is paying me. So smash that like button before even we continue. Like this video now, like. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all the analytics first. So I want you to know the amount of views I got and every kind of information, all the analytics. And then at the end of it all, after showing you all my analytics, like everything about my channel, the kind of videos I've posted, how much each and every video has, you know, made. If you don't want to really know all that, you can forward the video to the end so that you can check the revenue. But if you want to know all the analytics, the amount of views that led me to, you know, get that amount of money, then keep watching this video as I unleash every single detail of my channel. So without further ado, let's start with the views. Okay, let's do this. So as you can see, guys, you guys expect the views to increase. I hope you guys have checked how much views I had in September, but I was not posting each and every day. So I posted each and every day in October, and guess what? I got 4.7k views. That's not really a bad thing because the views have risen. Of course, we expect when you're posting a video every day, your views to rise. But then I believe that in November now, I'll have more views than October. So you guys, in November, be sure to come back again at the end of November. So in December, I'll post a video on how much YouTube paid me in November so that you guys can compare. So yeah, I got 4.7k views, which is not quite bad. So now let's go and see the traffic source type. Like, this means where my viewers are coming from. Like, how did you discover my videos? So you guys, as you can see, most of the majority people actually came to my channel from suggested videos. So it means you are watching another video and then my video got suggested and, you know, you decided to check it out. Okay, and another source type is YouTube search. So you are searching maybe how much YouTube pays a YouTuber in Kenya, and then, you know, YouTube brought you here. And then there are other YouTube features and then browse features. So yeah, those are the most common source types. I always say browse features are usually one of the best source type, but I can see I don't have much viewers from that. Although it's a good thing that most people are getting to view my videos from suggested videos. That tells me that my thumbnails are good. So yeah, and then now let's see, from external sources, most of you always come from my WhatsApp because that's where I always share my links on my WhatsApp status. Yep. Then top playlist, we have popular uploads, we have how to make money. I think those playlists really do well. Also, you guys, go and check the playlist on how much YouTube pays me. Like on my channel, on, you know, there are 3 rows. On the third row, there is a row for playlists. Just click on my icon and then go to playlist side. You'll see that playlist on how much YouTube pays me. Check those videos. I'll add my November analytic, December, so you don't miss each and every month how much YouTube pays me. I really want to motivate you guys. I don't know if this motivates you or it puts you down. Whatever the case, these are very informative videos. I feel like no other YouTuber has done this in Kenya. So, you know, I'm the first to have such kind of a playlist, which is useful. Okay, let's go to top. Okay, let's go to the audience. As you can see, the gender, mostly it's the female who are watching, but also the male. I feel like 61 and 38 is almost the same. And then age 18 to 24, but you guys, I have now added 1% of age 35 to 44. That's a good sign that, you know, my channel is diverse and YouTube loves diversity. Like, oh my god. Now let's go to top geographies. You can see most people, like, top geography means which countries are people watching me from. Yes, I'm in Kenya. I might be posting while in Kenya, but you might find your video is doing well in Tanzania or Uganda. You never know. So let's see. Top geographies, Kenya and Lebanon. Last month, I think it was Kenya and Uganda and UK. So this one keeps changing. I don't know why. There is no consistency in this. But I see other channels having consistency. For me, it's never consistent. Each and every month. Of course, Kenya is consistent because I'm in Kenya. But these other countries usually vary. So let's go to watch time. Watch time is really not, you know, it doesn't really determine the amount you get paid or how much. Okay, it could determine because it really usually shows YouTube where to recommend your videos and such kind of things. Are people really watching your videos? Are they watching to the end? And such kind of things which can affect your channel. So yeah, it really does affect sometimes. As you can see, most people who view my videos are not subscribed. Actually, many people are not subscribed, so it means people just come, watch, and go. If you are searching for something, you find it on my channel, una watch, then unaenda, you don't subscribe. But it's okay as long as you people are watching. I don't really mind. I love when people subscribe if they feel like they can subscribe. That's why you don't hear me urging you to subscribe each and every time. I don't like pestering people to subscribe to my channel. I love it when people subscribe content that they like. So yeah, now let's go to the most awaited part. This is the reason why you're watching this video, to know how much YouTube paid me. So let's go to the revenue and see how much YouTube paid me in the month of October, you know, after posting a video each and every day. As you can see, guys, I actually got paid $10.98. $10 in 1 month. Woo! We've never done that. Like, you guys, go and check my other videos and know how much I got paid in September, in August, in July. Yep, I actually got paid 10.9. So it means if you post more, you get to earn more. But now I'm not going to tell you how much I was paid in September, so that you guys can go and check that video out. Go and compare. Then I was not posting each and every day, and now I've been posting each and every day. You can also check in July, because in July I only posted 2 videos in that full month. So go and check how much I got paid for posting only 2 videos in 1 month. And here I've been posting a video every day for around 25 days. Yeah, that's how much YouTube actually paid me in October. I'm really excited. I wish I can actually get to post a video every day. Let's check the top videos, the ones that have been making so much money. As you can see, this video actually always makes the most money each and every month. This is my lucky video, guys. If you start a channel, you'll have your lucky video. This is my lucky video. It's actually got me $5. You know, that's 500 Kenyan shillings. One video. Imagine I had around 10 lucky videos. I'll be making a lot of money here. But too bad, I only have one lucky video. It made me $5. So you can imagine, in a total of $10, half of it was from one video. That's the funny thing about YouTube, but it's good as long as you're getting paid, Yeah, guys, that's it. You can see my other videos have been making me money too, but not really that much. Others have even 0.01. Yeah, I'm not complaining. Let's look at the ad types that are displayed on my channel. As you can see, mostly we have skippable ads, then display ads, bumper, non-skippable. I've not really discovered how much, different types of ads make you money. But soon I'll do my research and I'll definitely come here and tell you guys. So that's basically it. Are you guys, contented? Do you wish I continue doing this? Comment down below and tell me anything. Ask me any kind of a question. I really enjoy, engaging with you guys. I know I've not been consistent in November. Yeah, but guys, I'm back, to consistency and everything. Here on YouTube is so hard to be consistent unless you decide to do it as a full-time job. If you are not doing it as a full-time job, being consistent is so hard. I actually really sacrificed myself in October because imagine every day you shoot a video because it's needed to be posted, each and every day, the same routine. It's actually too much, like it takes you too much effort, and I've been really trying, guys. I hope I don't disappoint. In case you have any question, just ask me down below. Give me other types of videos that you'd like to see. I'll also do a video on how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views. I've been asked by someone to do that kind of a video, but I didn't get time. But I'm ready now. I'll do that video very soon. You guys subscribe to my channel so that you can see how much YouTube paid me next month in November, and also in December. I'll be doing this kind of videos each and every month. So guys, subscribe so that you won't miss. Also, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like it, guys. Please like this video. At least like my video. If you don't subscribe, leave a like so that I'll know that you guys enjoyed watching. It really motivates me when I see you guys giving me likes. So please like this video. Hoping to see you guys in my next video. And I'm loving the fact that you guys are engaging me on the comments. Like, oh my god, I'm loving this love. And others also DMing me. Yeah, feel free to ask me any kind of question. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.